7 Laws of Happiness, Psychospiritual Integration. Author, Dr. Bharat Chaugule, Ph.D. I would like to thank the people who helped me along the way in this book's writing and publishing process. I wish to thank this universe for making me a tool and giving me the opportunity to share my knowledge and experience. My wife Deepa, daughter Mona, and mother Lilabai have been a great support during the writing process, and I am grateful to them. I am grateful for the continuous encouragement I have received from my college and university mentors Professor Suresh Bhosale, Dr. R.S. Kazar, Dr. B.B. Chaugule, and Dr. R. Dakshinamurthy. Moreover, I extend my deepest gratitude to my spiritual guide, Swami Rama, the Himalayan master who has always served as an inspiration in my spiritual journey. I am also grateful to my next mentor, Mr. J.K. Karan, who introduced me to professional writing skills. I would also like to thank Drive S. Perumal, correspondent, Heritage Vidhalaya Senior Secondary CBSE School, Salem, and Sweetapratik, the author of Love Your Mirror, for their help in proofreading my book. I am also thankful to my pupils S. Hemapriya and Kanchan Mishra, for inspiring me to write many books. Without their encouragement, my knowledge might not have been published. Furthermore, I wish to extend my deepest gratitude to Mr. Nitin Soni and his team for the assistance they provided during the book publishing process. I also wish to express my gratitude to the countless people who provided me assistance in this endeavor, directly or indirectly. It is estimated that a large number of books have been written or are being written on success, happiness, progress, bliss, harmony, the pattern of following good, cash dominance, etc. They mostly deal with skills, wealth, and achievements that try to make individuals happy. The inspiration for writing this book came from the realization that everyone seeks happiness, but are they truly able to get it? Even the most significant question is that, why are we seeking happiness? Let's say you get happiness, but how long will it last? First and foremost, man struggles to achieve happiness, and once achieved, he struggles to maintain it. Schooling, position, wealth, marriage, children, house, vehicle, social status, and other developments. For what reason are we looking for happiness? We eventually realize that this world is a rat race. We are more interested in accumulating things than enjoying them. Most of the time, we are frustrated by the unnecessary accumulation of things that are not even necessary for us. 7 Laws of Happiness, Psychospiritual Integration is a book that reveals the 7 laws of happiness. This book will stimulate your thoughts and help you to lead a meaningful and happy life. We want education, a good job, marriage, children, a house, a car, vacations, etc. For what? To obtain happiness, but do we truly feel happy after obtaining all of these? How long does happiness last if we achieve it? First of all, we struggle to get happiness, and again, we struggle to sustain ourselves in that state. We always seek happiness in tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. When it comes, it only comes as a present. This book will guide you on how to live in the present moment. We live in ignorance. In the Yoga Sutra, Patanjali said, avidya. Living in awareness leads us to get happiness and pursue a meaningful life. In fact, everybody is striving for happiness. People want to find happiness in a relationship, person, things, or any object. Most of them knew they can't find happiness outside. Then also unconsciously they are going behind it. This book will guide you on how to take charge of your life. You should not be controlled by the situation. Your happiness should not be determined by others. You are responsible for your happiness and unhappiness. Happiness is your choice. This book's 7 laws of Happiness explains the significant and fundamental laws in this book like non-attachment, non-comparison, non-expectations, meaning construction, mindfulness, being realistic, and living in present. With love and regards. Dr. Bharat Chaugule, Ph.D. How to read this Life book. Direction Coach. There are 7 chapters in this book. To enhance clarity for the reader, I have added some stories, case studies, diagrams, or images in each chapter. Few case studies and activities I have deliberately added from my previous book, 7 Secrets of Success, a practical guide to get direction in life. Because it's demand of topics. And also, I am not taking granted that all readers of this book gone through my previous book. Additionally, worksheets are offered to help you reflect on and apply the lessons from each chapter to your everyday life. It is very important that you fill out the worksheets after reading each chapter. At the end of each chapter, there is a $1 million question given so that it will challenge your beliefs and stimulate your thoughts.